Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities and the walk-in drives that are going to happen in the upcoming days. And we would be sharing multiple details with you. So stay tuned till the end of this particular video. And before we start sharing with you the job opportunities, let me tell you about the new batch which we are going to start from the 10th of November, that is 9:30 p.m. onwards. It would be Monday, and we are going to start the real-time project building sessions on Playwright with JavaScript. So these particular sessions would be started, and it does not include the theoretical aspect or just the theoretical fluff. Theoretical is there, but apart from that, we will be covering the real-time projects. And if you don't know anything about automation testing, we would be starting from the JavaScript onwards, and then we would be covering Playwright, the framework building, and at the end we will be covering the real-time project which you can create the test cases and you can upload it on the GitHub and you can add that particular link into your resume. Plus we are going to assist you with the resume building, mock interviews, so real-time projects for GitHub that I mentioned, that I shared with you, and the project-based interview questions and answers. So many times when we are switching from manual testing or functional testing to automation testing, right? But we don't know what kind of terms and terminologies we need to use to answer, we have to tackle in an interview. So those particular things also would be given. So JavaScript basics would be covered. So even if you don't have any coding background till now, that's totally fine. Playwright UI automation, locators, assertions, page objects, Playwright API testing, building a real-time automation framework from scratch, what kind of reports we can add. So all those things. Now, this is for every one of you who want to switch your projects, who want to switch your jobs from manual testing to the automation testing. Okay. So this is for everyone, whether those are freshers or those are experienced. It's for everyone, right? And this is going to be the amount, and it's going to be 30 days of sessions. But apart from that, if you have any doubt or if you have any query, so we'll be connecting 1:1 also, or we can also connect during the sessions and we can discuss about the doubt solving. So doubt solving sessions also would be there. So don't worry about those things. This is an amount, but if you feel that this is something that you cannot afford, right, you are looking for some kind of discount or you're looking for some kind of installments based payment, then please reach out to us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, and then we will discuss for that as well. Now let me share the job opportunities for you which are there. So first requirement is with respect to the QA engineer, and they are looking for 4+ years of experience. This walk-in drive is happening today itself. So if you are in Pune, if you are in Pune, Maharashtra, so you can visit this particular location. And they are looking for 4+ years of experience. They are looking for the skill set of manual automation testing, Jira, Azure DevOps, API testing, SQL, all these things. And for more queries, you can reach out to this particular email address. Then American Express is hiring, Goldman Sachs is also hiring. So these all companies are hiring for software engineers or for senior software engineer, for software engineer too. So I'll be putting this links in the description of the video, as well as I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video itself, so you can refer from there. Flight Center GCC is also hiring. They are looking for manual testers. This opportunity has been posted today itself, so you can apply for this particular company. And if you feel that this particular email address is not working, go to their careers website and apply from there. They are looking for pure functional testers, manual testers who can join their GCC team. And the location is Noida. Experience is 5+ years. Next requirement is with respect to automation test engineer. Location is Kochi, Bangalore. Experience is 6 to 10 years of experience. And they are looking for someone who can design scalable test frameworks, perform API automation, and integrate with CI/CD pipelines in agile setups. So you can share your resumes to this particular email address. LTI MindTree is hiring for the Kolkata location, and this walk-in drive would be for the date of 15th of November. They are looking for candidates with 5 to 12 years of experience in all the skill set: Java, Selenium with API testing, Appium, mobile automation, OTT automation, performance testing, ETL testing, and the experience required is 5 to 12 years. Notice period is immediate to 30 days of notice period is there. So you can WhatsApp your resume to this particular number. This is a number of the recruiter, so you can WhatsApp on this particular number itself. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Last but not the least, let me again bring back to you, bring back the information to you with respect to the new batch of the automation testing that we are going to start from the 10th of November, right? It would be a 30 days of course, and we would be connecting alternate days. So you can work on this particular course. You can enroll for this particular course today itself, and we will share further details with you once you register on this particular link. So I'll be putting this link in the comment of the video as well as in the description of the video, so you can um, enroll for it. These days, most of the job opportunities you will see, whether those are in India or those are in abroad, they are looking for playwright automation. So these days, people are using Selenium with Java. It's not like it is outdated, but as per the companies, as per the organizations, they are looking for someone who has got hands-on experience in multiple tools and technologies, right? If you have hands-on in Selenium, it's good, but it's good to know Playwright as well, because Playwright is a Microsoft backed tool, right? So it's going to be in a longer run in the market. So don't think that this will be getting outdated in next 1 or 2 years. It would be there. It has got advantages, as you can see. It the the time of the execution is faster with respect to Playwright. Auto wait is also there. Cross browser support is there. UI plus API plus mobile capabilities are there. Companies are shifting to Playwright for their new projects. If they have the older projects, they'll continue with their Selenium with Java. But if they are looking forward for the new development of projects, they might go for Playwright, right? So these are the changes that are coming into the testing industry, and if you want to stay updated, if you want to be in the run, then it's time to enroll for this particular mentorship program. And it's not just a mentorship program, there are so many things along with that. You can see resume building, mock interviews, interview questions, answers. If you need any kind of career guidance, if you need any kind of doubt query solving things, if you are unable to set up the framework in your machine, let it be, right? Leave all those burden to us, and we would be taking care of that particular thing end to end. So don't worry, right? If you don't know anything about programming, if you don't know anything about coding, there's the right time to kickstart your journey, right? So you can book your seat over here, and I'll be connecting with you directly on Monday, that is 10th of November itself, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.